Hello guys, welcome back to Legend. Today we are back here with another brand new drone flight. So yeah, today we are in a place called Harrow, in the London borough of Harrow, of course, in northwest London. So without further ado, let's take off. So it's nice sunny weather. The drone's now officially in the sky. We're now airborne, and now we are flying in a place called Harrow on the Hill. The station of Harrow on the Hill is nearby. And we're again flying on top of a rooftop car park. I did the same in my last drone flight in Walthamstow, and now I'm doing the same thing in Harrow, thinking it's a good place to fly, but I'm starting to regret this decision because now I'm looking, there's less places for me to see the airspace. So that's going to be a bit harder to fly, but I'll see. We're going to stop recording now. We're going to do a 360-degree photo. Alright, 360-degree photo is complete. We're now just going to zip around. So, let's explore this area. I don't know where to go. I'm on top of this rooftop car park, trying to see if I can see the airspace properly. So you can see more of the sky now. So I'm glad I'm on top of this. So now we can... There's actually another car park right here. I could have gone on top of this one instead. But I guess the other one's busy. This one's not really busy at all. Just all bit around. This is a St. George's shopping centre. So yeah, let's just explore this area. It's just a nice sunny day here in sunny Harrow in northwest London. So you can see a fast speed railway train right there. Look at that amazing shot. We're getting a sideways shot of Harrow. We'll see what you can see with this long stretch of road going down here. And that goes to a place called Harrow and Roadstone. I've flown there before, but that was at night when they were doing the fireworks. That's on the Bakerloo line branch. I come from the Metropolitan line branch, so that's why I'm here. And the Lioness line also comes there. So let's just go straight towards the centre. Let's get a top-down shot. See what's below us. Look at that. Look at a nice shot, neighbourhood shot of Harrow. We're not going that far. What we'll do, we'll turn around and we'll follow this black car back to our home point. We'll see what's down there. It's straight down to the centre, town centre. Look at that. Actually, you know what? Let's keep facing the town centre. That looks amazing. I mean, the town centre is being blocked. My view is being blocked by this big building, so maybe I might need to go on top of that one, on top of St. George's, but then I have to go through the tunnel, meaning I'll lose range. So what I'll do, I have to land it and take off again. But I might just carry on flying here. Get a nice orbit shot of here. Yeah, I thought coming here I'd get a good view, but I should have gone in the other car park. Okay, that was the gimbal. It's not even that windy though. Maybe up there it's windy. It's actually a calm day today. Can't go wrong with today. And what we'll do, come down this way. Let's get a shot of the town centre. I wish I could, but I'm going to lose range quite quickly. Actually, I could see the other side. So you can see the station side. Let's go to the station side instead. Look at that amazing shot. Let's get a shot. Let's get a tour of the top of this building. Look at that amazing shot. You can see the solar panel. We've got the high street right here. Look at that amazing shot. If I go any further this side, the building's going to be in the way, so I can't go there because I'll lose sight of the drone. You can get a shot of this bridge and go down here. Towards this area. What I might do, I might land a drone and go to the other side of the car park so I can get a proper shot of the city and unrestricted shots. And that area down here is Northwick Park, which I might go there. I might fly in my next drone flight or maybe somewhere else. You can actually hear the echo of my controller. That is crazy. I'm not sure you can pick up on the mic, but I can hear some echo coming from the other buildings. It's crazy. So this is the station of Harrow and the Hill. Harrow and the Hill station. The wind's picked up a bit. Every time I take off my drone, magically I somehow get some wind, which is restricting me. But I guess it ain't that bad. There's a lot of buses here. Look at that, nice shot of the area. Just keep getting a shot of the buses. Little bus garage right here. Look, there's another car park right here as well. I could have taken off on top of this one. Got to be careful not to go behind the buildings. I could see anyway. But and you can see a lot of the area in the car park. You can see birds getting shook from the drone somehow. I want to get a top-down shot of the area down here. It's an empty car park. See, little round. I'm going to try and go towards, you probably see me in the shot. It's crazy, isn't it? Should we go towards the hill? There's a hill down here. That's why it's called Harrow on the Hill, because there's a hill that goes towards this area. I go towards there. You know what? It looks so far from the drone, but for me, it looks so close. It looks like it's around the corner. But what's actually happening is that it's like magnification. Like it appears bigger, but it's actually really far away. Look at that shot, amazing. I don't know what that thing is on top of there, but we'll see in a minute. Go towards this area down here, look at that little building down here. I want to see what that is, very curious. It was a bit far, but we did make it, look at that. That's why it's called Harrow on the hill. It's literally a hill right here. Look at that. Right, that's some strong winds. Just keep getting a shot of that, and what we'll do, we'll come back now towards Harrow. Look at that nice shot of coming back. We'll come back now. See the contrast of green and urban. It's actually quite amazing. Go back towards where we are. I'm going to try and go towards the town centre. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go towards centre side. One's right there. I'm going to bring it back towards the car park, and we're going to fly down towards the town centre, and I should be able to see more of it because I'm in the area. It's a bit tight though, like near so many things. So we're right here. We want to go towards this area down here. You can see the airspace down there. We want to get a nice shot of the town centre. So just keep going down. And now we get a nice shot of the town centre. See, look at that. We can see a car park of. There's a. What shops are here? You see what's down there. What we'll do, we'll go towards the town centre right here. There's a Pepe's as well. Look at that, we're getting a nice shot. It's really hot today. It's like a summer's day in spring. What we'll do, get a shot of this building down here. Look at that. What we'll do, we'll get a nice shot of this building down here. There's a building at the edge, right here. Get a shot of this. Actually, what we'll do, we'll come back now. Come back towards this area. Look at that, look how fast we're going. Going at tremendous speed. There's actually so many, it looks like there's so many shopping centres here. Or so many car parks at least. See the high street, it's really, it's got shadows. Well, it's not winter anymore, it's like it's spring now. There's already blooming of some trees. Let's go on top of this building and just see what's on top of here. See, look. Really interesting, isn't it? Interesting shot. Shot on top of this. What we'll do, we'll just start heading back now. We'll head back towards the other car park. It's really narrow, this. Look at that, look how fast we're going at tremendous speed. Get a shot of the local area now. A lot of horning going on down there. We'll get a shot of this area down here. Actually, you know what? We'll go behind the things if we do that. So let's just come back now. It's a nice little drone flight we've done. I'm glad I did it in Harrow. There's a lot of recreation parks here. I was thinking of flying there, and I thought car park, you get elevated shots, but because there's a lot of buildings here, it's an urban area, it's quite hard. What we'll do, you can hear people like doing burnouts here, kind of. We haven't gone west, haven't we? Let's go west. We'll do it quickly because our battery's going to die soon. Actually, you know what? Let's land a drone. We're not going to have enough time. I'm going to land it right here. So look at this shot. That is sick. Get a contrasting shot of that. That is insane, isn't it? Alright, let's bring the drone back now. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flight here in Harrow in northwest London. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.